Weight waggers.
Smelling is a brain activity. In dogs, it actually just wears them out. It's almost as if you and I were reading a newspaper or a map or doing a crossword puzzle. Did you ever see a dog actually open his mouth to get a better whiff? See, a dog has a unique smell helper called the Jacobson's organ. It's a fluid sac in his upper jaw which helps him actually taste the scents he's detecting. Your smelling safari can have a destination. You can drop off your snail mail while your dog checks his pee mail.
Whack back, ducka 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 whack back.
The Turbinator! Did you know that the olfactory organs in your nose are called turbinates? If you unrolled a human's turbinates, it would be roughly the size of a postage stamp. Gluey. A dog's would be roughly the size of a piece of typing paper. That's huge!
Weight waggers.